Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a silent Facebook Messenger message without triggering a notification. This is incredibly useful when you need to send a message late at night or during work hours without disturbing the recipient. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Facebook Messenger app and navigate to your conversations list. From here, you'll need to click on the conversation where you want to send a silent message. This could be any individual chat or group conversation you have active. Once you tap on it, the conversation will open and you'll see your entire message history with that person or group. Now direct your attention to the text field at the bottom of your screen. This is the same area where you normally type your regular messages. Go ahead and click on this text field to activate your keyboard. This is where you'll input the special command that makes your message silent, preventing it from sending any push notification or sound alert to the recipient. Here's the key step. In the text field, type /silent exactly as shown, starting with the /. This command tells Messenger that you want to send this particular message without any notification. It's a built-in feature that Facebook added specifically for situations where you don't want to interrupt someone but still need to communicate with them. After typing /silent, add a space and then input your actual message. For example, you might type /silent, "Hey, just wanted to let you know I finished the report. No rush to read this now." The combination of the command and your message ensures that when you send it, the recipient won't receive any notification, sound, vibration, or banner alert on their device. Once you've entered your complete message with the silent command, simply send it as you would any normal message by tapping the send button. The message will be delivered to the conversation, but the recipient will only see it when they naturally open Messenger. They won't be disturbed by any notification, making this perfect for non-urgent messages sent during inconvenient times. And that's it. You've successfully sent a silent message on Facebook Messenger, allowing you to communicate without interrupting someone's sleep, work, or important moments. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.